Hello all! Welcome to MapOG, where mapping made simple. Today, we embark on a journey by exploring MapOG tools to map and analyze archaeological sites. Using the Create Polygon tool, archaeologists can outline the boundaries of archaeologic sites. Once the boundaries are established, we can overlay a grid system onto the site using the Grid tool. As excavation progresses, archaeologists can document their findings within each grid square. Now let's take a closer look at how the map is created. Navigate to Map Analysis interface from MapOG. First, let us delineate the archaeological site. Click on Create Data and select Create Polygon tool. Give an appropriate name for the polygon layer, and also add the attributes needed, or you can leave it as it is. Save the layer. Choose any of the given drawing options. Draw a polygon defining the archaeologic site on the map. Give a name to the polygon and save it. By clicking on the pencil icon, save the map with a suitable name. Next, we can overlay the grid system to the map for easy excavation. For this, click on Process Data and select the Grid tool. Select the layer and enter suitable range value and click on Submit. You can also style the map with suitable colors using Basic Style. For this, click on Style Data and select Basic Style. Select the layer and choose a suitable color gradient. Finalize the changes by clicking on Save Style. Finally, we have created a map that allows archaeologists to define the size and orientation of the excavation units, providing a systematic framework for recording and analyzing the site. Using Share tool, share the map. Using this map, archaeologists can document location of artifacts, features, and soil layers, as well as any other relevant information obtained during excavation into the square grids. By recording data within a standardized grid system, archaeologists can analyze spatial patterns and distributions of artifacts and features. Visit our channel and explore more use cases and more products. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.